How to remove grid lines from specific cells in Excel. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove grid lines from specific cells in Excel. To remove grid lines from specific cells in Excel, you'll need to follow the steps. First of all, open your Microsoft Excel and be ready with your data. Click and drag the cells from which you want to remove the grid lines. Here at the top, you'll find this border option. Click on this little arrow facing downward and from here select No Border. Once you select it, you'll see the grid lines has been removed from the selected cells. If in case you didn't see this option right here, what you can do is select the cells from which you want to remove the grid lines and right-click on the selected cells. Choose Format Cells from the context menu that appears. In the Format Cells dialog box, go to this Border tab. And from here, ensure that None option is selected for all border settings, outline, inside and diagonal. Now click on it and click on this OK button to apply the changes. The grid lines will be removed from the selected cells while remaining visible in other parts of the worksheet. This method allows you to selectively remove grid lines from specific cells without affecting the rest of the spreadsheet. So in this way, you can remove grid lines from specific cells in Excel. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.